we are going to start the practical. The first part of the practical is we are going to measure 25 milliliters of sulfuric acid. Okay, so we're going to measure 25 centimeter cubed of sulfuric acid. Okay, there we go. Then we are going to pour that into a 100 ml beaker like this. Then, using a spatula, I'm going to add 3 spatulas of copper oxide to the beaker. So, let's count together. So, 1, 2, and 3. Then I will need to stir the solution. So what am I going to use to stir the solution? A stirring rod. So then I would stir it well. Now just remember you're trying to make copper sulfate. So the 2 reactants are going to be copper oxide and sulfuric acid. And you have to stir it very, very well. So once you have stirred the copper oxide and sulfuric acid, then you would place the beaker on the tripod and gauze and heat gently using a Bunsen burner on blue flame. You heat the solution until you see a few bubbles appear, then turn off the heat. One thing to remember, do not allow the solution to boil. The next step in this process is placing the filter paper, as I've already done, into the funnel, which is already in a conical flask. You pour your solution through. And then you should collect a blue filtrate coming out towards the bottom like that. So that's what the copper sulfate should eventually look like, that type of blue there. The next steps are to half fill the 250 milliliter beaker with tap water, place it on the tripod and put the evaporating basin on top. This is going to serve as our water bath. Then what we're going to do is the filtrate that we collected earlier, we're going to pour this into the evaporating basin. You would then heat this up over the water bath, and then once you heat it up for a few minutes, you should have crystals forming around the edge. Once the crystals start to form, you turn off the Bunsen burner, you let the solution cool, and then leave it on a windowsill for 24 hours. Then you should have blue crystals forming. Thank you.